The Green Cabbie product reviews.
This is a review of the Jolly Time, the Big Cheese Ultimate Cheddar popcorn. These are the nutritional facts for this popcorn. It's kind of nice if you take it out of the box. It does have it labeled on the package, Big Cheese, right here, so we know what flavor it is. A lot of other products out there, they don't label it, and you have absolutely no idea what's inside, whether it's popcorn or anything else. Looked everywhere in the box, I couldn't find it, but the cooking instructions are inside the flap of the popcorn. And it recommends anywhere between 1 minute and 45 seconds to 3 minutes, depending on the wattage of your microwave. All right, so the optimal cooking time on this one was 1 minute and 52 seconds. And you see here, this one here has got lots and lots of cheese on it. So it's crunchy. And the cheese isn't too overwhelming. It comes through. It's not too salty, but it's got a nice crunch. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's not too overwhelming. It does get a little bit on your fingers like a good cheese popcorn should. Yeah, but that's pretty tasty. Yeah, slightly salty. It's got some good cheddar flavor on there. Not bad at all. I would say this is a good buy.
Click the link below now for the best pricing. Grab your deal and enjoy your purchase.
Subscribe now.